Quoz. Hello. So where are you going?
Mama, Charlotte just said she hates dinosaurs. That's why we're not going to the dino park today.
No, we're not.
I like dinos. She's my little baby. She doesn't know how to talk. I never how to talk.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing a game, but tattoos.
Can you let us know where
We
you're
go
going?
to the museum.
Museum. No, we're not going to museum actually.
Yes, we are. No, we're going to
No.
the museum park.
We're going to Locobare. Let me check.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Look.
Hi.
Locobare Dubai, the ultimate entertainment.
Dubai is in Dubai. I mean, in Dubai. That's where we're going. We're going in Locobare. It's so much fun. Let's go. Hey guys, we're going to Locobare. Come follow me. Come. Okay, come follow us. That's a lot of views. Little plants growing. It's so cold. I told you it was called the ivy. Whoa. So fun. It's cold though.
Wow.
You are so glowy. First, can we go and do the slime?
Yeah, we're gonna see what explore. We're gonna do everything. Everything.
Yes, everything. I do the map. Yes, the map is so huge.
Yes.
Deal. So for the break, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5.
Numbers?
1, 2, 1, 3, 4.
Yes.
Whoa.
Guys, give me a wrist, please.
Ivy, what's this for? I
It's a
don't know.
waiver.
What is a waiver?
It's
Yeah.
like, for example, you hurt your hand.
Okay.
So your mom signed it.
And then?
You're so cute. Your sisters. Your sisters, yeah?
Yeah. I'm 6, she's 4. Yeah. Whoa, Ivy. Everything is glowing. Where's the slime? A big Lego. Ivy, let's go. No, first we're gonna do the slime. Oh, look, Ivy.
We're gonna do the slime first? Yes, we're
Slimy.
gonna do the slime first.
Yeah. Whoa. Hello. Oh, mine is upside down. Yeah.
So we have to select now here?
This one. I want this
Do you
one.
want this one?
Yep, I want this one. The
Okay.
battery. Whoa. Actually, I want glow.
It's like
Yeah.
a friendship.
Yeah.
Okay. And Christine,
Yes, Mama. What is this?
this one is super illusion.
Illusion? What is illusion?
I don't really know, to be fair. I don't know.
Which one?
Stretchy.
Stretchy? Why are you picking stretchy? I'm picking glow.
Oh, super illusion. That's so good.
Can I?
Smell mine?
I smell. How about mine? Mine smells disgusting smell. I want to smell mine. I want to smell.
You smell so good. Oh my
Can I
gosh.
smell? Can I smell? Actually, I want that one stretchy. I want stretchy. I want stretchy. Stretchy. Whoa, Ivy, this soap is a ghost. Ooh.
get this one. I get this one. Okay, I'm gonna get your card.
I want.
I'm gonna keep the card so we don't lose them.
Okay, is this one stretchy? I mean, this is the container. This is the container for our. Oh. I will sit next to the ghost. Hi, little ghost. Mama, look, the ghost.
Wow, so myself I have super illusion. Which one you have? Crunchy.
I don't want.
Crunchy, illusion, and stretchy.
And clouds.
What is the smell?
I don't know.
It's fun.
Don't lick it. I won't. Ivy.
Wow.
Why yours is that and mine is this? I
Looks
know.
like water. Oh, can I try yours? Can I mix yours?
But this is stretchy. It's stretchy.
Did you smell?
Yeah. Can I have mine? Thanks.
Look.
Whoa. Look at mine. Look. Whoa.
Wow.
We're gonna use a towel. It looks like water.
Can I touch? Wow.
Whoa.
And do this. Sticky? Yeah.
Sticky candy?
Yeah. Mama, mine looks like the sun. Look, Christine. Mine looks like the sun. Can I see yours? Mama, mine looks like the sun.
Unicorn.
Can I see? Unicorn. I have a sun. I have Elsa. No, Ivy, you have the sky. No, this is Elsa.
Looks like we're gonna eat it. Are we gonna eat it?
No, it's mine.
Ice cream girls.
Yeah. I think we need to put this one through this line inside here.
You're gonna be able to keep it warm, Aspaka.
Whoa. Oh, it's getting harder.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Look at mine.
Wow.
Christine, oh, so sweaty. Christine is so sweaty.
Yeah.
It looks like I'm making soup.
Making soup? Are you making a cake? A cake? What are you making?
It looks like I'm making porridge. Wow. Mom, look at mine.
Salad?
Dun, 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 dun. I was thinking when I got this, shall I lick it?
Continue mixing, guys. Continue mixing until
We have to continue mixing, guys. Oh, bubbles.
Look at mine. I'm making a lemon cake. I'm making a blueberry pie.
Mine, I barely can do anything. Look. Oh.
Can I touch?
Ah.
Mama, it doesn't look. Mine still sticks.
Why mine is solid and not yours?
Because my one is stretchy.
Oh.
Because my one is stretchy. It has to take a long time to make.
Ah.
Is your one stretchy?
Yeah, mine has like. Look. Ah.
It has a crunchy illusion.
It's not crunchy, mine.
Mine is crunchy. No, it's just the end of the bowl. I have a pink bowl like you, Mama.
Yeah, I really love the color of yours.
Huh?
Ah, but
And I really like the color of you.
your
You
hair.
look like a cotton candy.
Actually, yes.
Can you mix mine?
What do you mean?
It's hard.
Are you joking right now?
Then do fast though. I'll show you. Put your hands like this and mix really hard.
It's a popsicle. Give me a bit of blue.
Okay, give me yours. Mama. Give me yours, Mama. Can I give you mine?
Yeah.
Mama, come here.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and tried to pour the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. When we fall, we get back up.
Wow. Look, guys.
Can you do mine?
Are you sure?
Are you ready?
This one, huh?
Wow.
And next with you, okay?
Look.
Mom, can I touch
Yes,
yours?
of course.
Whoa.
So cool, huh?
Are you ready? It's so sticky.
So nice.
Mine is ready.
Yeah. Wait, one by one.
Sorry.
Give me your hands. Up. They will stick in your hands because you don't have activator.
Yeah. Mama, why don't stick to my hand?
Doesn't stick anymore, huh?
Nope, test it, Mama.
Okay, wait.
I have a mustache.
Don't put them.
Don't put on your face, guys.
Maybe they will get itchy after that one.
Do you want to feel mine?
Yes. Feel mine?
Good.
Ah,
Okay.
so weird.
Can I feel?
Yours is so weird.
Wow. Real. Mama,
Yes?
what's your mind? Like, Christine is sticky. I mean, sweaty, like it's like this.
But you want stretchy one? No, because they are different. It's because I think they are different. That's why.
Yeah. Oh, what's your mind? My one is stretchy. I want to make a hole.
Look.
Whoa.
Wow. Look, Charlotte. Oh, hold on. Come on. Let's make a bread.
A bread?
Bread. Oh.
Make the bread? Mine is so long.
Oh, yours is funny, Charlotte. Looks like a banana.
Could you have sprinkles?
Banana.
Oh, do you like my wiggly worm? Look. And this is the head. Wait, I need
I'm getting
to
some
lift.
activator. Here. Oh, sorry, Charlotte.
So look, I gave you some. And then it makes. What is that? Smells?
Mango, apple, lime, cherry.
Can I see what we have?
Spread, Charlotte, spread it.
Oh, yes. You, what do you want?
This one.
Lime,
That's so good.
Yeah.
strawberry.
Oh, I'm gonna have coconuts.
You want coconut, madam?
Coconut.
Okay.
I want apple.
Apple.
It smells like a unicorn.
Unicorn? Oh, guys. It smells.
I just want to eat mine. I don't have apple smell.
Wait, she's coming up. Yes. You have to spread it, Charlotte. Spread it. Oh.
So you have to mix.
Mix.
It doesn't mix yourself, you know.
Where's Ivy?
Mama,
What?
I want to go on the zip line after.
Yeah. We're gonna do this after.
Also me.
Yeah.
Can we have sprinkles?
Yeah, I think she's gonna come now.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm making a snowman. Mama, look. I'll show you one thing. Christine, look what it can do, guys. Look, guys.
Wow.
Hey!
How did you do this?
Mama, first I put on first, then I do like this. Okay, I take the front,
Okay.
and then I'm making a snowman.
Wow, love it.
Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. Glitters, 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 glitters. You like this, Maya?
Oh yes. And those are like the arms. Okay, spread it, guys.
Wait, I didn't make mine yet. No! So spread yours. Spread yours.
You crunchy also?
No.
What is
Here,
yours?
stretchy. I want Sarah Christine.
So what do you want? Do you want this one or Sarah's Christine?
I want this
Do you
one.
want this one? Or the snow?
I need snow.
Oh, we don't have yet.
I'll put little, okay? Sigura ka natin.
Wow. Okay guys, that was good and fun. Let's go next
Wait, first I'm going.
You didn't finish?
No, not yet. No. I'm done finishing. Now I just need to put this on top. And I'm done. You have to do like this. A wheelie comes up.
Oh yes, that's better. Close it
Done.
well so it doesn't get dry. That was fun.
Look at mine.